Correct team, welcome. This is the Merope innovation pitch. I am Nathan Upowa. I'm a co-founder of Merope. Our engineer, Sir Yakubu Emmanuel, will be controlling the software for you today. Let's go on this journey. We would like the Correct team to know a little bit about us. Merope is a solution-driven company founded by two individuals that were able to find a problem and derive a solution for this program. The Merope team consists of two founders, a computer science aspirant and an aeronautical engineer aspirant, who were able to drag their heads together and find a solution to a problem. We drove towards this solution because we felt an impact on our daily lives and the lives of those around us. This motivated us to create a design that will fix the imbalance in the economy and save a lot of lives. Our problem statement. We identified two primary problems in the aviation sector of Nigeria, which were highly priced plane tickets and vast amounts of carbon emissions. A few years ago, the price of a round trip from Port Harcourt to Lagos was valued at 45,000 naira. Pretty affordable, right? But of recent occurrences, that same flight would cost about 145,000 naira, which is not affordable at the least. That is almost a 250% increase in price, just to show the problem we have identified. Also, flying using traditional jet fuel releases about 53 pounds of greenhouse gases per mile. Imagine flying 1,000 miles, 53,000 pounds of greenhouse gases. This drastically contributes to the depletion of the ozone layer, which leads to a range of health challenges. Our solution: to tackle this problem head-on, we researched on a sustainable, cheaper, and most importantly, eco-friendly alternative that will be able to substitute the traditional jet fuel. We had to create a design which we will pioneer in order to make a reliable product. Our product had to be innovative and be able to tackle the problems we identified. After months of research, we discovered the Brassica Carinata plant, whose oils can be effectively refined to produce a sustainable, cheaper, and more cost-effective jet fuel. We are using proprietary designs to create this Brassica Carinata sustainable aviation fuel. Our discovery can ultimately save millions of lives and millions of naira by preventing the health challenges that could be caused from traditional jet fuel. Why Brassica Carinata? Brassica Carinata, also known as Ethiopian mustard, is a family of the Brassica crucifera, also known as crucifera. It's a species of plant which is arid resistant. Therefore, it could be grown both in summer seasons and winter seasons. It is high in uric acid, which allows for the displacement of oxygen to be replaced by hydrogen in making larger alkane bonds. This is needed for the production of high-quality oils. Also, the seeds have high oil production, which is necessary for meeting the target market demands. Advantages of the plant. The seeds are arid resistant, therefore it is cheaper to mass farm and could be utilized in the multi-cropping method of agriculture. The seeds have high oil content that is required for meeting target market needs. Finally, the seeds are high in uric acid, which is advantageous during the production of alkane bonds. Our production process. This was the most interesting part of the design process of our project. Firstly, we begin from the farming. For farming, we are utilizing the circular method of agriculture. Using a mechanical arm in the center of each circular cropping, we are able to maximize the amount of plant growth and minimize the amount of resources needed. Next up is the milling and steaming. After harvestation of the seeds, they are crushed using specialized rollers to ensure there is a large enough surface area for the hexane extraction later up in the process. The seeds are then steamed to soften the harder oils, also to ensure the oils are easily extracted. Extraction. This is the process of extracting the oils fuels after a rigorous process of steaming and milling. We are reutilizing already on-ground technology such as hexane extraction. This uses hexane as a solvent to extract the oils from the seeds. Afterwards, the oil solvent mix is desolventized and distilled to obtain high purity oils. Refining. Finally, to obtain usable biojet fuel and biodiesel, we had to refine the oils. In this sector, we are utilizing our own design process. Firstly, we are hydrotreating the oils to produce highly hydrocarbon bonds within the bonds. Once this is obtained, we are utilizing a two-step hydrocracking treatment using nickel, silicon, aluminum doped as a catalyst. We chose this catalyst because it is easily regenerated, it is cheaper, and produces the highest quality biofuel, which can back up to the traditional biofuel used. Our methodologies. Creating this project has been a hard process, and we had to utilize methodologies such as Agile. To ensure our total success, we firstly mapped the stages of our project and determined the starting point of each stage to ensure total and stable project foundation. We then optimized the process using the right combination of technology and research to ensure that our program is sustainable for the target market. We also requested feedback from interested clients, and as clients are always required to be kept in the back of the mind during design processes. Finally, we implement the design processes and begin distributing to our various clients. Once this is completed, we begin to evaluate and monitor the performance given back by the clients of our floors to ensure that they meet the needs of the markets. Advantages and dominance of our BCSAF over other products. Our product is a global solution to various problems, one of which is the health problems presented by the sector. Due to the nature of our fuel, it releases 65% fewer carbon emissions, which will go a long way in preventing a lot of health challenges that would have presented by the fuel traditionally used. Our project will be revolutionary once fully implemented in our country. We are producing a source of income for our country, which will ensure economic growth and boost the national GDP, therefore increasing the naira value in the international markets. Finally, we are against every wastage during traditional production processes. Therefore, all our byproducts are either refined, reused, and sold off as usable products to ensure we have zero waste and minimize the impact we have on the globe. Our ask. The current challenge was the means through which we saw an opportunity to express our problem-solving innovation. We worked hard and long throughout the design process to ensure that we are able to produce a feasible, eco-friendly, and cost-effective substitute to the traditional jet fuel. Our ask is that the very able and capable judges at Coral Challenge will give us a high enough score for us to progress to the next challenge at the Space Center in Houston. We request for this because we genuinely identify the problem in the sector and produce a sustainable solution to this problem. We are not only changing lives, we are making flight tickets more affordable. We are also preventing health challenges who would have posed a challenge or risk to their well-being. Finally, all in all, we hope that the workforce become a global solution to the problems presented by the aviation sector. We have crossed out all our T's and dotted all our I's to ensure that full implementation of our design is a success. We ensure that the Brassica carnata seed oil we produce is of high quality and will take up a large enough market space both in the automobile industries, the energy industries, and the aviation sectors. Although we have faced many challenges, we still have continued to go on using different methodologies and resilience. We would also like to appreciate the current challenge for allowing us to voice our innovation. We hope to be progressing to the next current challenge. Thank you. For further inquiries, you can contact us at the following address.